and then we're gonna fly, because that sounds good. Bow wow. Bow some more. Bow some more. Sauce? Did they hook us up with? Oh, your guac's in there. Ah. What else is there? Yeah.
Sauces.
Oh, he didn't throw any pico de gallo. Damn. That's true. Could go back. So I also realized why I was flying so aggressive. I didn't realize my camera angle was like 30 or better. So that would be a good indicator as to why I was flying with such aggressive tendencies, and explain the motor heat. But yeah, a little bit more work to go. I think we're good. The VTX is right there. I got to have a look at this thing and see what's going on. So that's the new build, man. That's the new Iron Man build, 5-inch.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more. Everything that you thought I would be has fallen apart right in front of you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you.
So looks good. Thank you, Brian, and shout outs to Drone on YouTube channel, Brian and Lance Baxley, for definitely doing the parts and build on this. You guys are awesome, man. So shout outs to CrackaFPV and Drone on once again. Second video for those guys. We will hammer out the little problems and we'll go from there. See you guys on the flip, man. Toodaloo.
Hey Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.